What's up, guys? I'm here in Bangkok, in the Lat Phrao district, and we are at the Centara Grand Hotel in Lat Phrao. We're gonna do a quick room tour of one of their club level rooms on the 19th floor. It's a one king bedroom. So when we walk right in, sort of like this corridor hallway area, you get leading into the room, which is kind of strange, but it is what it is. This is the layout of the room. I always find these maps pretty useful to get an idea of what your room looks like. So let's try to locate our room here. Elevators. So our room is this corner room here. Is it? Yeah. Is it? It's actually a good question. I don't know which our room is. Maybe I should have studied it a little longer. So we came in here, and yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's the overall layout of the floor. Uh, this is our walk-in, and just a mirror up here, and then we go on and down this corridor. There's an air conditioner controller, and you're in this sort of like living sitting area with a work desk. The two chairs are kind of strange. It's like sort of a chill chair on one side and a very business chair on the other. TV mounted on the wall on an angle, and we've got a room divider here, sort of. Not even a divider. Yeah, like there's actually a pocket door that slides out, and you can create some separation between the bedroom and the sitting working area. Tea coffee station here with a mini bar underneath. Standard stuff. The lighting's decent. It could be a bit brighter in here. I feel like, given the dark color choices of the walls and the carpeting, brighter lights would have been lovely. This is all the lights turned on to max, but this is as bright as it gets. I just noticed there's actually a Wi-Fi router in the room there, which is fantastic. You don't always see that in hotel rooms, so the Wi-Fi routers that are installed in the hallways don't always come into the rooms very well. So this is nice. I haven't tested the speed yet, but I'll leave a comment with a note on what the speed was like once I get connected. So the view out here is of the freeway from the 19th floor. It's actually kind of pretty. Sorry about the reflections, obviously, but there we go. You get a slightly better view if I stick the camera up there. But yeah, decent view. And there's fresh cut flowers down here, which is a nice touch. I haven't seen that. And a paper calendar. I've never seen a paper calendar in a hotel room before, so that's kind of new. Yeah, so decent, well appointed sitting room area. Stuff's a little dated, a little worn maybe. Like the cushions have seen better days for sure. This carpet is nice, but again, showing its age a little bit. And we move on right into the bedroom here. Decor itself, again, a little dated, but fairly clean and comfortable looking. The lighting again in here is a little dark. I like this reading nook in the corner with the window. I'm sure during the daytime that'd be lovely to be seated on. There's another TV in here, king bed, and the bathroom actually has the shower area is all glass, so you can sort of see right into it if you want to leave that open. Or there's a blind, weirdly, on the outside, so if the person who goes into shower decides to close the blind, the person outside the room could open it up again. But there's that. Anyway, so we walk on in, and we've got a closet space here. So this is the only closet in the room. It's all the way back here, on the way into the washroom. And then in the washroom here, you've got a fairly straightforward sink, vanity space with a large glass mirror. Again, the lighting in here is a little dim. It could be brighter. I want it to be brighter, but it's not. It's what you get. You've got sort of touch screens here, a TV button. I wonder what that does, and a music button. Right now, it doesn't seem to do anything. Maybe when the TV is connected, it plays sound on the speaker here from whatever is connected to the TV area. I don't know, just a guess, because I noticed the speaker up there. Basic toilet, nothing special there. There is a hand shower, and that's it. Again, not a smart toilet or anything like that. And in here you've got your shower stall. There is the hand shower and a ceiling sort of rain head shower up there, and recessed lighting up there, and then a actual bath itself. It's dark in here, which makes me feel uncomfortable. During the daytime, I would hopefully get a ton of natural light coming in from the window out there, so maybe this sort of fills in and looks really bright. but right now it's a little dark. It's not the most inviting place to be in. It's a little disappointing because there was a lot of potential here and could have been solved with just brighter lights. Okay, so there's your fairly quick look at the at a club level room, at a club level king room at the Centara Grand Lad Prao in Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.